What if I told you this entire video isn't real?
My face, my voice, my gestures, all generated by AI. And the wildest part?
You can make your own version of me in less than 30 seconds from your phone.
Because in 2025, you don't need to be a creator. You just need to build one.
Sounds crazy, right? Let me prove it.
Okay, this is the real me, and yep, everything you just saw was my AI clone. I didn't shoot, edit, or even record that part. AI did all the work, and today I'll show you exactly how you can clone yourself too. No green screen, no studio, and no Hollywood budget needed. Here's why this is a game changer. You no longer have to record every single video manually. I can be asleep, on vacation, or stuck in traffic, and still publish high-quality videos using my AI version. Imagine making tutorials, product reviews, or faceless content without ever touching a camera again. The only limit, your creativity. Let me show you exactly how I made mine using SkyReels AI. Okay, first go to this video's description and click on the SkyReels link, because new users will get a 7-day free trial for a limited time. So grab it now before it's too late. After logging in, you'll see a simple dashboard with many powerful AI tools, like AI video generator, image generator, talking avatar generator, text-to-speech, sound effects, and many more useful options. You can literally call it an all-in-one AI tool. Now, let's get back to our main topic, the AI lip sync avatar generator. Click on generate a talking video and you'll be redirected to the digital avatar studio. Here you can create a single person avatar or even a multi-person podcast style avatar. And trust me, the results will blow your mind. Let's create our first avatar using an image. For this, I'll provide you with my AI Talking Avatars premium prompt template for free. It includes amazing photo prompts that you can use to generate your own avatars. Now, copy any avatar prompt and open Google. Search for Google Whisk and open the first website. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Then click on Whisk to launch it. Paste the copied prompt and select your preferred image aspect ratio, portrait or landscape, depending on your needs. Then click on the Generate button. Keep in mind, sometimes you might not get the perfect result on the first try, so try 2 to 3 times until you get the one you like. Once you've got it, simply download the image to your PC or mobile. Now go back to SkyReels and click on the image button to upload your recently generated image from Google Whisk. After uploading, you'll have 2 options for the voice. Upload your own voice file or click on text-to-speech, where you'll find a premium collection of voices for all kinds of characters. Select the language, gender, age, and style that best suits your avatar. After selecting the voice, type or paste your script. Now comes my favorite part. Camera movement. This feature gives your avatar a more professional and realistic look, and it's not available in most other tools. You'll find many camera movement styles. Pick the one that fits your video best. Next, you'll need a motion prompt for your character, like hand gestures or facial expressions. Don't worry, I've already added a universal motion prompt that works with all kinds of avatars. Or you can write your own using ChatGPT. Just copy the motion prompt from the template page, paste it into the motion prompt box, and select your preferred model at like SkyReels V3 or Kling AI. I recommend using the default model for the best results. Finally, click on the Generate button. Video rendering will take a few seconds depending on your audio length. Once it's ready, click on the video. You'll see more options like style, where you can apply cool effects to make it more fun. You can also extend your avatar's duration by adding more script or voice files, and use the upscale option to export your video in 4K quality. And that's it. Here's our first demo.
Hi there. This video is generated using SkyReels. Pretty cool, right? And yes, I'm not real. I'm an AI voice.
Pretty amazing, right? Now let me show you how to add lip sync to your video and make your avatar look even more realistic. First, click on the video button and upload the video you want to apply the lip sync feature to. Once your video is uploaded, you'll need to upload your own voice file. Or you can use SkyReels AI voices to make it even more fun and creative with your real video. Then simply click on the Generate button. You've probably seen many videos of celebrities talking with realistic voices. Those are often created using this same lip sync mode. That means you can apply lip sync to any video to make it more entertaining, or even use it to create an AI version of yourself for your YouTube studio. And here are the video avatar lip sync results.
Hi there. This video is generated using SkyReels. Pretty cool, right? And yes, I'm not real. I'm an AI voice.
Now let me show you the most amazing feature of this tool, the multi-person talking avatar. This feature is perfect if you want to create AI podcast videos or multi-character conversations. For this example, I've already generated an image of an old man and an old woman. I've also added this image prompt to my template file so you can use it completely free. Now let's go back to SkyReels and upload the multi-person image. Make sure the faces in your image are clear and visible. Once uploaded, SkyReels will automatically detect all faces in the image. Next, click on each face to verify that the characters have been detected correctly. After confirming, click on the confirm button. Now, we need to select voices for each character. For my first character, the old man, I'll select an old man voice. You can choose the language, gender, age, and voice style that best fits your character. Try playing a few voices. Once you find the perfect match, select it. Then choose a voice for your second character. In my case, it's the old woman. You can actually create images with multiple characters, but I've only tested it with 2 so far. Feel free to experiment with more if you want. Next, it's time to create the dialogue for both characters. Click on the face icon and select your first character. I'm using the male character first, and I've already generated some dialogues for both characters using ChatGPT. Paste or write your dialogue for the first character, then click on the add button. Now select the second character and type or paste their dialogue as well, or generate it from ChatGPT according to your needs. After that, click on save and finally hit the generate button. If you don't understand any step, feel free to watch this part again, and if you're still confused, just comment below this video. I'll reply as soon as possible. And that's it, guys. Our multi-character talking avatar video is ready, and trust me, the results are going to blow your mind.
Welcome back to the Saeed Eye Studio podcast. I'm your host, Arma. Proving age is just a number, and style has no expiry date. Today's vibe is all about energy, color, and confidence.
Absolutely, Armin. We're here to show that creativity doesn't fade with time. It evolves. Grab your headphones, sit back, and let's dive into some inspiring stories and laughter.
So guys, how was the demo video? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I think the result looks super realistic and professional. Honestly, I've tested so many AI tools like HeyGen, Synthesia, DID, and Kling AI. All of them are great, but none of them come close to the powerful features that SkyReels offers in one place. You get everything here. AI talking avatars, text-to-speech, lip-sync mode, camera movements, and even the multi-person podcast-style avatar generator. It's literally an all-in-one AI studio right in your browser. No editing software or experience needed. So if you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and click the SkyReels link in the description. Grab your 7-day free trial and start creating awesome AI videos today. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my next AI video tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and keep creating.